And the another function of this truck is the hydraulic function. Hello friends, and welcome in this episode of DIY Master. And in this video we are going to make a small toy. uh, in my childhood I used to see Tarang activity program used to telecast on DD National, and since it's a lockdown and I have plenty of time to remind all the old memories and the things which is which suppose which I supposed to do, but I couldn't done it because of lack of time and so many things. So maybe you are one of them who willing to do this. So let's get started. Actually, in this video I'm going to make a little truck with the help of these matchbox. For that we need only scissor and the cutter. The material we need: two empty matchbox, these visor for the wheels, toothpick, and this sort of aluminum wire. So let's start making it. All right, so first thing which we need to do is just remove the this tray from the matchbox, and there must be this sort of arrangement. And the second thing is we need to cut this. Okay, that we can fix like this, like this. And this tray must be removed from here. Okay, so fold, fold, sorry, like it. Okay, so this is the truck limit. And one more thing which we need to do is we can also fix hydraulic just right from here. Don't need this. And finally, for tires we can take these sides. So this is how, guys, you can keep yourself little busy in this lockdown or maybe bad time. So you can see, and this is a very, oh, just left this one. Finally, we have completed this, and you can see the function, running function is very good. Maybe your kid may not be so much happy after watching this truck, but we like to do this sort of things when I was a kid. And the another function of this truck is the hydraulic function. Thanks for watching.